Hello everyone and welcome to Psychology 317 Family Psychology. My name is Dr. Lauren Ray Gardner and I will be your instructor for this course. This is a welcome video and tour of our course site. You will see I will post weekly announcements with updates on our front page. You will also see our course banner at the top. If you look along the left navigation pane, you will see all the items you need to click to navigate through our course site. First, we have our Getting Started link here, where you can see information about our first week and how to prepare for the course. Please read through our syllabus in entirety. Next, you'll see the announcements page link, which will bring us back. You'll see syllabus, where you can access the syllabus, and contacts, where you'll see my email address, a photo, and a brief bio. Important to note are our weekly assignments. Link here where you can see what we'll work on for each week with some key due dates and also assignments posted. Also important is our discussions link on the left, which will bring you to our discussion boards where you will post and then also reply to your peers. There are some additional links and resources as well, including information about rubrics, groups, feedback, a collaborate link as well. I want to welcome you to our course, and I look forward to a great semester. Thank you, and I'll see you in the course. Welcome. All best, Dr. Lauren Ray Gardner.